Electric kettles, a staple in many kitchens, work through a simple yet efficient mechanism. Beneath the kettle, there's a coil called a heating element, made of metal, which rapidly heats up when electricity passes through it. This heat is transferred to the water, bringing it to a boil faster than conventional kettles. Once the water reaches the desired temperature, a thermostat is triggered, cutting off the electricity and preventing overheating. Additionally, the steam from the boiling water activates an automatic shutoff feature, ensuring safety and energy efficiency. With their quick functionality and smart safety measures, electric kettles exemplify the blend of convenience and technology.